Today we're going to be doing a review on the Cuetec R360 Edge series. It has the 360 low, it's supposed to be super low deflection shaft, and it's just a brown stain, real Irish linen wrap, and an adjustable weight system in the butt plate. Now, normally I play with McDermott cues. I have a G series, and also my jump break cue is a McDermott Stinger, which is obviously a 2-in-1, a jump break cue. I also have a Lacassi jump cue that I just purchased. I'm going to be doing a review on that. So again, the way they shipped it to me, it's an 18-ounce cue. I just recently ordered this morning another ounce that would go in the butt plate. So I like my cue to be a 19-ounce. So I'll chalk up. Just going to take a couple of shots, see how it feels. They put this gloss on, I should say a finish on the shaft. And it's called a True Glide system, which I have to say feels pretty good. I don't feel a significant difference between the finish on this shaft versus the finish on my McDermott cues. But it definitely very, very comfortable. I love the Pro Taper. They have an extremely long 15.5-inch Pro Taper. So it feels very, very comfortable. And the hit that it has is extremely. Take a few more hits with this cue. I have to say I love the feel of it. When you make contact with the cue, it's just extremely hard to describe it, but the feeling is very, very impressive. You don't get any vibration, no shock, and it comes with, believe it is a 10-layer tip, leather tip. So far, I mean, we've hit a few balls. I have to say I really, really like the feeling of the cue. Again, it's nothing fancy. It's pretty simple, but it is a very nice design. Me personally, I love the brown stain. They do make it in a natural stain, which is very close to the shaft color. It's probably a few shades warmer than the shaft color. Yeah, the feeling of this cue is very impressive. I have to say, I would definitely bring this to the pool hall. I know it's highly recommended that you stick with your cue. And I agree with that 1,000%, but I would think I would definitely, I'd have to play with this a little bit longer, because if I get real comfortable with it, I might switch over to this Cuetec cue. Again, I love McDermott. You know, my cue has real inlays. It's absolutely beautiful. But for an inexpensive cue, I paid less than $170 for this cue. And again, it's the Cuetec Edge series with the 360 super low deflection shaft, which I have to say it performs extremely impressive. If you have a chance to go to a local shop and test it out, I would highly recommend it. All right, let's try a couple of draw shots with this cue. Yeah, definitely a performer, I have to say. Try a follow shot. See how much action I can get out of this cue. Definitely. Yeah, very impressive. I have to say, the Cuetec Edge series with the 360 shaft, extremely impressed. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.